To the pandemic, we are finally seeing some much needed good news. COVID-19 numbers are trending in the right direction.
Yeah, and it's really starting to show in our hospitals. Our Paula Suro joining us live in studio tonight. And Paula, how are healthcare workers feeling about all of this tonight?
Well, Jennifer, they are cautiously optimistic, and rightly so. That's because, according to Grady's chief medical officer, hospitals have been in this same position 4 times before, where we start to see a dip in numbers and people start to relax. So that's why he says it's crucial people keep getting the vaccine.
Unfortunately, we've been there before, right? I mean, we've seen peaks and then valleys.
Georgia is in one of those valleys right now, with COVID-19 numbers trending downwards and hospitals seeing a reflection of it.
There is a little bit of a sigh of relief and hope that this trend will continue.
Dr. Robert Jansen with Grady Health says right now Grady has 46 patients with the virus. That's about 10% of all patients there, similar to what other counties in the metro Atlanta area are seeing.
Back in June, we got down to 7 patients, to put this in perspective, 7 COVID patients. So we're a long way from that, but things are getting better.
As of Tuesday, 11% of patients in Georgia hospitals have COVID-19. Just last month, that number was nearly 3 times higher. Still, 85% of ICU beds in the Peach State are currently in use.
I think it's inevitable we will have more infections because we don't have enough immunity in the general population. But hopefully it won't be as bad.
But no matter how low of a valley we hit, Dr. Jansen says the lasting effect of the pandemic in hospitals will be felt for a long time.
Even though we are taking a big sigh, we have fewer staff. And so we have to take care of all the patients that we still have with fewer resources.
Now, while Dr. Jansen says the decrease in numbers has to do partly to vaccination rates and natural immunity, public health microbiologist Dr. Amber Schmidtke, who has been following the pandemic closely, tells me some of the decline is also due to deaths among those in the ICU. She says the survival rate in ICUs right now is just over 50%. Jennifer?
All right, Paula, thank you so much.